Hello, this is Daniel, and I'm going to show you how to make a can. Step 1 is to make a pipe shape. Now I already have interactive creation selected, so now I can just click and drag a size. I will drag an outer ring and an inner ring. The inner ring will be the can wall. I am making it solid, but you may choose later on to make it hollow for the very last step in which we add striations. The next step is adding an outer ring by duplicating the bottom ring. Next I will insert an edge loop. I am inserting an edge loop only for the outer border. Next is to extrude the face, top face. I will select all the faces on the top and I will raise the face up using extrusion. Extrusion is located at the top on your polygon shelf as a shortcut. I will repeat this step on the other side, except on the other side I will extrude inward so that the tops and the bottoms will meet eventually. Here I am raising the ring so that it is flush with the top face. The intention behind this design is to make a can that will stack. Obviously, if I wanted to make it perfectly stackable, I would have measured it, but who cares about that? This is art. Next I enter my attributes and find the poly pipe selection, and I will find the subdivision's height as indicated, and I will raise that up. I find an even value will work out better in the long run when we add the striations. This step is also included for adding the striations. Make sure whatever you do to the top you also do to the bottom. Tediously select the outer rings. Make sure you select in rows every third row. In this example, the outer row was not needed as it extruded, or rather raised, the outer portion, which was not desired. So I minimized it to only 2 rows. You can do the same with the bottom. You may choose to offset it so that it follows the pattern of an inverse or an offset from top to bottom. Next is raising the outer ring so that it matches the height that you raised the top ring. Preferably, in another scenario, I would have done this simultaneously. The next step is to select the lateral view and select every third row of the can wall. This is to create striations. In this example, you will not extrude, but instead you will actually scale up the faces so that they bulge. From here the can is complete. You may add materials onto it to make it seem tin-like or shiny, whichever you prefer. You may also choose to shrink the can down or add a spherical or a cylindrical object inside, and then select the booleans option and difference to cut out a hollow space in the can to add your tomato soup.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.